Early warning signs of a bad coolant pump. 1. Coolant seepage around pump. You might not see a puddle yet, but small wet spots, dried coolant stains, or white, green, orange residue near the pump housing or timing cover can be the first clue. 2. Slight whining or chirping noise. A worn-out pump bearing or loose pulley can cause unusual whining, squealing, or grinding noises from the front of the engine. 3. Unstable temperature gauge. The needle may occasionally rise higher than normal, then settle back down, especially at idle or in traffic. 4. Low coolant levels, without visible leaks. A failing pump gasket can slowly leak coolant, making you top off the reservoir more often, even if you don't see drips under the car. 5. Reduced cabin heat. If coolant circulation weakens, your heater may blow cooler air than usual, even when the engine is warm. 6. Pulley belt issues. The drive belt may look slightly misaligned or show unusual wear if the pump shaft or pulley is starting to wobble.